Thinking about making your home more energy efficient and saving money in the process? Act fast before the generous tax credits that have been making these upgrades more affordable vanish by the end of the year. What's happening? According to EnergySage, several consumer tax credits for solar panels, heat pumps, electric vehicles, and other eco-friendly home improvements are set to expire at the end of this year. This change is a result of President Trump's Big Beautiful Bill, which was signed into law on July 4th. The bill aims to reduce federal spending and streamline government incentives, but it has caught many homeowners off guard. Why are these cuts happening? Supporters of the cuts argue that reducing government dependency could encourage innovation in the private sector and push the market towards self-sustaining, clean energy solutions. The tax credits were initially expected to last for at least another decade. The sudden announcement has left many homeowners scrambling to make last-minute upgrades before the financial benefits disappear. The impact of solar installation cuts. One of the most significant cuts affects solar installations. Installing rooftop solar panels is a fantastic way to drastically reduce your monthly energy bills, with some homeowners even reporting that their bills have dropped to zero. Moreover, switching to solar helps combat climate change by replacing electricity generated from fossil fuels with clean, renewable energy. The importance of these tax credits. These tax credits have played a crucial role in making energy-efficient home upgrades more accessible and affordable for millions of homeowners. Without them, the upfront costs of going green will skyrocket, potentially slowing down the adoption of clean energy and hindering progress toward environmental goals. Chapter: Potential Consequences. The removal of these tax credits could lead to more homes relying on traditional polluting energy sources, resulting in higher carbon emissions, increased strain on the power grid, and a missed opportunity to build a more sustainable energy future. What can you do? With the deadline looming, it's essential to act quickly to maximize your savings. EnergySage offers a free, user-friendly tool that allows you to compare local solar installers and secure the best deals. On average, users of this tool can receive nearly $10,000 in incentives for solar purchases and installations. EnergySage also provides a helpful mapping tool that breaks down the average cost of a home solar panel system by state, along with detailed information on available solar panel incentives. By leveraging all of EnergySage's free resources, you can ensure you get the best price for your rooftop solar panels and take full advantage of the remaining incentives before they're gone. Stay informed. Sign up for our free newsletter to get practical tips on saving money and reducing waste. And check out this list of simple ways to help both yourself and the planet. More from EnergySage. Stay updated on the latest news and trends shaping the residential solar landscape.